Oh yeah, I want to tell y'all how I did a content creator hair. I did her hair in some butterfly braids into a little bun, and my channel, I mean not my channel, my page, I had like over 50,000 reaches and 50,000 impressions. I gained a lot of subscribers. I mean, I keep saying subscribers because I'm talking about YouTube, but I'm really talking about Instagram. When I posted the video of doing her hair, I got over like 50,000 reaches, over 2,000 likes, y'all. Like, I am excited. And then she be doing skits.